How politics creates a chaotic divide in the Philippines. Have you ever wondered why politics in the Philippines feels so chaotic? Why people are constantly arguing, even within families? The truth is, politics here doesn't just affect laws. It shapes how we think, who we trust, and even how we treat one another. Over time, this has created a society divided along personalities, regions, and social classes. Politics is personality-driven, not idea-driven. In the Philippines, we often vote for people, not programs. Charismatic leaders, famous families, or local heroes get more attention than actual policies that could improve our lives. This makes politics personal. When someone disagrees with our chosen leader, it doesn't feel like a debate, it feels like a fight. 2. Political dynasties keep power in few hands. Powerful families have ruled regions and even the country for generations. Ordinary citizens may feel powerless, while a few benefit from favoritism. This inequality fuels frustration and divides communities. 3. Social media amplifies division. Politicians, supporters, and interest groups spread information, and sometimes misinformation or fake news online. People join pages or groups that echo what they already believe, creating echo chambers. The result? Neighbors, friends, and even family members end up arguing over rumors, half-truths, or misleading headlines. 4. Patronage and favoritism. Many politicians give jobs, money, or favors only to those who support them. People may vote for a candidate just to get help, not because they believe in their plans. Those left out feel ignored or exploited, creating a culture of us versus them. 5. Regional and class divides. Politics often mirrors regional differences. A leader popular in Luzon may be unpopular in Mindanao. Economic inequality also matters. Poor communities feel neglected, while wealthier areas have more influence. Elections become battles between groups rather than collective efforts to improve the country. 6. Polarizing issues. Topics like corruption, crime, drugs, and national security are often used to divide people. Instead of discussing solutions, debates turn emotional. Supporters and opponents attack each other, fueling anger, mistrust, and further division. 7. Weak political institutions. Laws are sometimes ignored or enforced selectively. Elections can be contested, and corruption may go unchecked. When institutions fail, people lose trust in the system and blame each other instead of focusing on real solutions. 8. A culture of conflict. Filipinos are vocal. They protest, debate, and speak out online. While this is healthy in moderation, it often escalates into constant arguments. Political debates frequently attack people personally rather than ideas, making compromise extremely difficult. The result: politics in the Philippines creates a chaotic, divided society. People are polarized by loyalty to leaders, social media influence, regional differences, and unequal opportunities. Instead of solving problems together, citizens often fight online, in communities, and even within families. The cost? Lost opportunities, wasted time, emotional stress, and growing frustration in everyday life. Why it matters. Understanding these dynamics can help Filipinos think critically about leaders and policies. Avoid being manipulated by fake news or emotional arguments. Focus on issues and solutions, not personalities. Work towards unity instead of division, so politics can serve all Filipinos, not just a few.